Awesome PV3S, a powerful wood-carrying vehicle that climbs steep hills and crosses muddy roads with ease, something that not all vehicles can do. The muddy, rough and uneven dirt road created a big challenge for trucks, making it impossible for them to move. The driver pressed hard on the accelerator, trying to get out of the way, but it seemed unsuccessful. Smoke from the engine rose high, and the wheels were still rolling in one place, unable to move. This is a Russian-tracked heavy-duty tractor specially designed to bear large loads and move on difficult terrain. Military vehicles are designed to overcome harsh terrain conditions, including extremely flooded roads like this one. These cars are often water and swim resistant, and have powerful engines that help them overcome flooded roads with ease. The Bulldozer arrived very promptly to help pull the truck transporting a 73-ton LLC LSEG heat exchanger heat recovery device on snowy terrain. In these special weather conditions, heavy snow cover requires the professionalism and skills to overcome challenges from drivers and support teams. When mentioning Mancat, we will immediately remember that this is a powerful military truck that can overcome all difficult terrains. Motorhat's rugged construction and flexible design make it an ideal choice in situations where reliability and high performance are required. This is an all-terrain de-icing vehicle, a special vehicle designed to overcome and clear snow and ice from roads. They are often used in regions with cold climates and dense snow cover. And the wheel drive system is designed to provide steady thrust to both wheels, helping the vehicle move stably on snow and ice surfaces. In addition, drivers of off-road ice vehicles often need special skills and training to work in harsh weather conditions and complex terrain. The Marel off-road vehicle demonstrated its strength and reliability when pulling two Camas trucks off a 30 km thick snow road. In dense snow conditions, travel becomes extremely difficult for vehicles. However, thanks to its ability to overcome harsh weather conditions, the Marel car has proven its strength and performance.